I wasn't happy with my first video, so here it is. Today's video topic: sort and filter. Quick topic today, basically just showing one implementation of the sorting and filtering that will be available. As we all know, in the original Qorbiter, you have a way to sort your media or filter it either on screen, but right now we're using UI1 as an example. You have all these different wonderful things you can select in this nice little sort of matrix. Well, if you go over here, we're working on something similar to that. My crazy ass decided to do something radically different, even though now that I think about it from a usability standpoint, it really isn't that much better. Anyways, attribute sort. Basically created a grid of them, and whichever one you choose, maybe it is, maybe it isn't the better one, I don't really know. You guys can decide. The cool thing about this is that you can actually reskin this entire component very, very easily. It's very, very simple to do so. So the important thing is that the underlying model is solid. So all you have to do is just type in, oh, I want to attach to this property, and you get a full-on list model back with no programming. I did the same thing with, what do you call it, genres, because genres, the reason I put things in a grid to begin with is because genres in the old school thing tended to fall off the screen, and you only had so many in a certain view. So this way, they're all there. But either way, sources, yay, sources, and resolutions, and all this stuff is coming from the database except for sources, because that was just a static list. But like, it loads all this stuff. We do add another media type or resolution, super high def, it'll automatically deal with it. You'll notice, and then this is something cool you can do, just, well, whatever, that sounded stupid. You notice how I click the red box and text changes? Well, that actually goes back to some underlying code that keeps track of this. So, okay, so we chose disk. So I navigate away from the screen, back to the screen, media types. That's not what I was looking for. Where is it? Oh, disk is chosen still, because this persists. So just like the old one, it sticks around. And then you can obviously unselect it, and it will be unselected. Currently the UI doesn't update as it should, so you'll notice coloring changes as you know, depending on what's going on. Anywho, and then also, for example, I want people to only have to click the cell because this is supposed to be touch based. So you click the cell itself and it goes away, but if you click the button, it'll actually toggle the states. So that's just one trick. There are tons. UI designers, that's more for you than programmer types, which is get the programming on the screen. Yeah, so that's basically it. Look soon for contextual data grids that actually reflect things like whether we're looking at CDs, music, or CDs, videos, games. There's a ton of stuff that we can actually do, and so it's just a matter of doing it and coming up with creative ideas to actually make it show up. And that is essentially the entire crux of the thing. I just love doing that. I'm sorry, I'm like 5, I know. Good day.